Hey guys, it's Carrie with Garden Rudiments. It's June the 7th and it's time for a Mountain Crest Gardens unboxing. So this box came in the mail today, and it's always best to open your box as soon as you get it because the plants have been in transit. They need water because they're shipped very dry, and they need some sunlight. So we're going to go ahead and see what we have from Mountain Crest Gardens this month. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. It really helps me out as a creator to help my channel grow. And if you end up liking this video, please hit that like button, and I always love to read your comments, so please do that. The first plant that they have a card for, this is a Sedum. It says Ogon. I can't pronounce the other name, but it almost looks like an elephant bush, but this is a Sedum. We'll turn it over. Sempervivum Huphilii, Sun Dancer. That one's pretty, it's got a lot of red. This one is Alpenglow, Sedum. Now I have one of these. These color up really good when they get stressed with too much sun, but that's a really pretty plant to have and a good one to propagate. And then this one, Hummel Sunset, Crassula Ovata. I do not have one of these. I thought I had actually purchased a large container of it, and it turned out it was mislabeled. So I'm glad to have this one. This one will also be a very good one to propagate by leaf cutting. So let's do it this way. I'm going to lay these out. So I've laid my cards out so you can see as I take these out, so I can tell you the name of each plant. This is a Hummel Sunset, Crassula Ovata. That's a very nice plant and actually pretty large to be in one of the Mountain Crest Gardens monthly subscriptions, so very proud of that. And like I said, these are shipped really dry, so there's usually some soil mix that you'll find all over the plants. This next one is Sun Dancer. And this is a Sempervivum, and you can this will go in my fountain, in my Sempervivum bed. I've got one layer that I'm keeping just for scents, and this will be beautiful there. And you can see this is one plant, this is two plants, and this is a third one where it's put on a baby. And there's actually one coming out right there too. So very nice specimen, very glad to have that. And the next one is Sedum Ogon. This is really pretty. By the card, I wouldn't have, thought, okay, that this was good. But this is, look at the little tiny buds that's on it, the little tiny leaves. I really like this. I might put this one in the fountain to just see what it does. See how big it gets through the summer. Very nice plant. Okay, we've got one more. This is Alpenglow. It's a Sedum. These are really amazing specimens in this month's subscription. Very healthy. It's not that they're not always healthy, but sometimes they come in looking a little dry and a little worse for shipment, but these are gorgeous. And one good thing about Mountain Crest Gardens, there's usually always a bonus package in here. So let's see what's in it. You can see I'm doing this in my breakfast room today just because we've had rain and it's just been messy outside. I know what this is. I cannot think. Somebody else put on there what it is. It's got a name. I know what it is. I hate that about myself, that I can never remember the names of these. These are so pretty. They look like you can see through them like glasses of colored glass, like through the lens of colored glass. That pretty. Nice healthy specimen. Look at the root system. So this come in bare root. Very nice. This one needs watering, but it looks great. So happy with that. So that is a very nice plant to have as a bonus. I'm very proud to have June's subscription to their Mountain Crest Garden Succulent Club. These are really nice specimens. Beautiful, beautiful and healthy, nice colors. It's a great variety to add to your succulent collection. So I'll give you a close-up of these, and then again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you will. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with someone that might want to subscribe. And I'll see you next time on Garden Rudiments.